Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone or accessory supports Qi wireless charging. That matters because alignment and protocol affect speed. Once verified, plug the charger into a compliant adapter and a stable outlet and place it on a flat surface to avoid wobble. Make sure to remove cases thicker than 3 mm and any metal or cards. They block power transfer. As you set the device down, watch the indicator light and listen for a brief tone to confirm the pad and device have made contact. Once the pad is powered and the device is case cleared, align the device so its coil area sits over the pad's center. Small shifts can drop power or trigger slower charging. If your pad or phone has alignment marks or magnetic guidance, use them to snap into place. Make sure the phone lies flat and avoid nearby heat sources that cause thermal throttling. If you need faster charging, confirm the adapter and cable are certified to the charger's rated output to preserve efficiency and safety. You finish by charging to the level you need, and then removing the device to prevent unnecessary trickle charging that generates heat. If charging fails, reseat the device carefully, try a different certified adapter or cable, and test another wireless pad to isolate the fault. Make sure to check for case interference or foreign objects between surfaces. If the device becomes uncomfortably hot, stop charging, let it cool, and diagnose power sources. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.